I mentioned some time ago that I'm adding LLM specific features to how NATS is being rendered. Essentially, when you run NATS, you know how that looks. But when Claude runs NATS, it sets that variable. And now I am adding additional information here about how Claude should use the NATS CLI specifically. And that will give it additional information, format the help differently, and format the output differently. So I'm going to say here executable, explore it, and tell me what it does. And let's see if it will figure out on its own that this is something that can be used in this manner, and if it will start using it in this manner. What I found is initially it doesn't immediately start calling the help because obviously it doesn't know it. However, it is awareness that this is an LLM friendly command. And so when I ask it things like add a stream and what access do I need, we will see it should now, these things are not predictable, it's running it with the correct help in the correct output format. And so we can see now it's telling me things like you don't need system or admin credentials, just a regular user. So it understands what you want. And that's information from the LLM specific output. What kind of system level reporting exists for JStream? And it's going to start exploring here what it can find. It's probably going to search quite a bit till it finds a server command. There we go, it's found it. But you keep seeing it, keep running it with the LLM format, right? So so it is using that system-specific format, and here we go. All of it requires system account credentials and is read-only. So this is really useful when you're trying to figure out when to use something, is it safe to use, etc. And just for interest's sake, when exploring the output, did you find the LLM format help? Well, let's actually, before we do that, using the demo context, tell me what is the biggest stream. Let's see. Now sometimes it reaches to JSON here, like in this time. If it didn't do the JSON, it may have been better. Actually, good. It there isn't JSON, so it's gonna fall back to the non to the LLM format output. So that's good. When using this tool, did the LLM format output help you? Let's see what it says. Yes, significantly. So we see it's specifically noticed that the tool is LLM compatible. In other invocations, when I was testing this, it specifically called this out, saying this is a modern tool, well maintained, ready for integration with LLMs, and we can see it really helps it that there is even saying it makes it trivial to sort by bytes, etc. Where it didn't matter much for the help stream add, the sheer volume of flags large either way. But that's a minor point. So it also calls out the metadata tabs as being helpful. So I think this is a very good approach. This should be possible. This should already be possible in anything built with the latest fisk. So any of our tooling that has this feature built in will that was built with fisk will automatically get this feature. And if you ask the system to use that tools, it'll figure it out. And again, note there is absolutely no skills involved here, anything like that. It is a bare first-time access to this command here, with no help or anything like that. I mean, help from skills. Yeah. That's it.